is kicking, y'all? So today we have our AR platform rifle out here. So we are attached to our bridge rest, also attached the SS down here at the bottom with our rifle mount clamp. So we're sitting here. This is accessible AR platform wrapped around the foregrip. Back here we're wrapped around over top of the receiver. Real simple. You're here all day. You can lean against, do whatever you need to. Quick pop, you're ready to rock. Slide that up and down your bridge wherever you need to. Rotate. Rotate. You are locked. You are locked in and ready to roll. Shorten the stock up. Boom. All right then. Bridge rest. SS gun mount. Locks right on. You're ready to roll. Keep your rifle accessible. Some states you can hunt with AR platforms. Other states you can't. You can hunt hogs with it out of the saddle. You can hunt coyotes with it out of the saddle. Crack them and rack them, y'all. Well, have a good day. Come see us at rackinstick.com. Rack them up, y'all.